The Sanders Financial, where we talk money matters because money matters. Money isn't everything. Whenever you're seeking out the right career path, you got to ask yourself, is this something I can see myself doing consistently every day that I wake up, or however often the frequency is for you to fulfill the job that you are trying to pursue? Ask yourself, is that something that you'll be happy doing? Not just for a check. There are plenty of jobs that I could have taken making 3 times the amount of money that I make now, but I would be miserable doing it, or my family would suffer tremendously for me doing it. So never pick a career just for the money. You need to pick something that does pay well, of course, because you got to have a quality of life. If you don't have a quality of life, you'll be miserable at the end of the day. So you got to have that balance, something that pays decent or great, but something that you love to do, that you can see yourself doing for a long time. Make sure you link up with like-minded people. Don't hang around the wrong crowd. Stay with the right people that are about their future and not just partying away their college life and switching majors right to left, wasting thousands of dollars of their own money, their parents' money, and gaining a ton of student loan debt. School should be something that you enjoy the experience, you get those memories, but at the end of the day, you're there to get your work done. Get the job done and get out as quick as you can so that you can start thriving and be a positive contributor to society. That should be what your focus is with college. Internships. A lot of people fall asleep on internships, but I'm telling you, an internship can really make a positive impact on your career decision. The reason being, you get to see firsthand what you will be doing. And if it is something that you do like, there's a possibility that the business or industry that you're trying to pursue, they'll probably give you a job right after college, or even pay for you to go to school via tuition reimbursement, or they'll just cut a check and you'll probably be obligated to working for them for maybe 2 years after graduation, but you'll need a job anyway. Don't become one of the college students that gets a scholarship or just goes to college, get a nice degree, and then you don't have a job because you don't have enough job history, or you didn't do the right research to figure out if you are pursuing something in a market that yields job growth potential. If you want to know where to find me on the web, all you have to do is Google me. LADARRIUS. That's Ladarius, middle initial C, last name Sanders, SANDERS. Google Ladarius C. Sanders, and I promise you will find me. And make the wise decision by picking the right career path with all the tips you learned today. Thanks again for watching The Sanders Financial, where we talk money matters because money matters.